Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katinka. I live at the south point of Africa in a small coastal village. That's Pinky. There's Malish. Bubbles is somewhere. And today I'm going to show you how to make a little leather bracelet. I used leftover leather from my wall organizer. I'll put a link up below. And I just embroidered it with with upholstery thread. And I use a button, and I made a button loop. Come along and let me show you. This little piece of leather is left over from my filing organizing system. I'll link a video. And I am going to make another Christmas present out of this. So I'm busy drawing lines. And I'm using my nail file to make sure that the dots is going to come across at the same place. Like that. So I'm drawing lines on it. I'm using my material marker. Next, I'm going to make holes in it.
Waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our marks to turn to memories. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone.
I have this cotton. It's just some old upholstery cotton, and I'm going to embroider on the leather.
River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hey, I was hoping you would stay, but
I have this bottle of buttons. Let's have a look. That's going to work. Okay, so that buttonhole is a bit small for the button. So I've been slowly cutting it a bit bigger. Right there. Oh yay, it's working. And there's a bracelet. Another Christmas present done.
River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. River's gonna cry when you're gone. It's gonna cry, it's gonna cry. Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just leave it all behind. The river's gonna cry when you're gone.